One of the challenges that industry faces historically has been the ramp-up time. As students leave an academic environment, more and more companies are reaching out to universities in general to partner with them on internships and co-op programs as industry sees the need to get people who are more work-ready than they potentially have been in the past. The PLM Center here at Purdue is an interdisciplinary research center. We've really been focused on integrating product data management, configuration management. We try to incorporate elements of supply chain, of production, of sustainment into the PLM curriculum. When we teach students those key elements of product lifecycle management, we often start with something that is concrete and tangible.
I think learning about PLM as a student opens you up to the realization that when you're working at a company, you're not going to be working with 3 people. It readies you for collaborating with very large teams and working as a group.
Just even the fact that you have any kind of knowledge of Teamcenter is something big you can put on your resume that companies will look for.
Employers benefit by hiring students out of our program. They have a perspective that is not frequently taught in other university curricula, which deals with the entire life cycle of the product. The depth and breadth of the program here at Purdue, it focuses primarily on integration, implementation, and communication using digital product definition data. I have a former student who works for a large aerospace manufacturing company, and they have benefited from some of his thesis work around product data interoperability costs, and it has really benefited a couple of their new programs.
I'm studying the concentration that's called virtual product integration, which is the primary concern with product lifecycle management. What was really interesting is that there are so many types of CAD packages essentially, and being able to make something and give it purpose and meaning and get more information from it is something that's really cool.
Siemens' involvement in the PACE program and their partnership with General Motors and the other groups that are involved in the PACE program certainly gives students access to tools and practices that they're going to find in industry. One of the ways that Purdue is helping the PACE program is by using our PLM expertise with our students in the PLM curriculum to essentially establish an architecture for the respective PACE teams to use.
Whenever you're working with models or any kind of design data, it's important to be able to organize that data properly and manage it and know where it's stored, how it's stored, who's accessing it, so you never have 2 people accessing the same model at once.
Our role in this has been to divide up our students here into essentially PLM support teams that will support each one of those PACE project teams and establish through virtual computing architecture and NX and Teamcenter instance that each one of those PACE project teams will engage in collaboratively. We're after a partner who understands what we're trying to accomplish and why we're trying to accomplish that. And over the years, I've certainly found that partner in Siemens. Our focus and our program here at Purdue is indeed PLM, and we're one of the very few who have that particular focus. Yet we hear from our industry partners all the time that is a growing need. Companies time and again telling me that if I was able to produce more students, they would certainly hire them.